Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be looking at this big piece of news concerning Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb. Why is this so important? Let's find out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. XRP, though decentralized, has always found expression alongside its parent company, Ripple. One of the most discussed arguments over the nature of its existence as a crypto is the involvement of Ripple in the affairs of the coin. When a coin treads the footpath which associates its development with the activities of a company, it often turns out to be a scam. Take, for instance, the OneCoin, which turned out to be a huge $4 billion fraudulent scheme. Events such as these have led to a lack of trust for emerging cryptos, and it becomes extremely difficult to identify which would be a safe investment. XRP was naturally a coin developed by the original founders of Ripple, as it served as a valuable medium used to facilitate a large number of cross-border transactions between banks and other financial institutions in different parts of the world. As against antagonistic opinions, the coin's development has been quite slow despite its huge potential. The slow rate of adoption has seen it lag more than most of its counterparts. The coin was first deployed on RippleNet, which was a functional transactional system running with XRP as its fuel. It came much later after the onset of Bitcoin and Ethereum, who are notably the most outstanding crypto in the world today. Literally, its initial coin offering was carried out with Ripple dealing out massive amounts of the coin out of its latent escrow holding of the coins to investors at a cheaper rate. This action would later be called into question by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission in December 2020, via the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the regulatory agency. The suit thus tries to identify the coin as a security rather than a currency. It being a security means it's more of a standard of value for Ripple itself as a company. The argument of the SEC is that each XRP must be treated as a unit of stock of the company Ripple. It indirectly means that any and all transactions involving the coin is nothing short of illegal, and the management of Ripple are found culpable. This end was made evident in the inclusion of the names of Ripple's current chairman, Chris Larsen, and its current CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, for manipulation and control of a larger holding of XRP for personal gains. However, the company has taken the fight to the SEC in a most welcome manner that's been applauded by thousands of XRP loyalists. First, the law under which XRP will be put to the test is the Howey test, which dates back to 1933, treating the proliferation of commodities and currencies. The law is archaic, and it doesn't just say XRP could be a commodity, but literally every crypto can get sued under the heavy litigation of that law. If a fanatical approach is taken to enforce the law, it remains to be seen what would be left of the crypto industry in the United States. The US has proven to be an anti-crypto market, as it's seen more regulatory bodies rising to curtail the advent of cryptocurrencies new and existing. Bitcoin and Ethereum both have been said not to be securities but viable cryptos, as they are not subject to the wiles of any company, and their price is determined based on consumer interest and their rate of adoption. XRP, to that end, falls outside the critical circle of being tagged as a security as much as either Bitcoin and Ethereum. With the suit looming over the crypto, a major dead drop of the coin was expected. Critics saw no definitive way out for the coin, as it was predicted to possibly fall back down to zero. The coin has dramatically increased in value at some points already, thus erasing any further doubts over its sustainability, even under immense regulatory pressure. XRP has always been thought to be capable of withstanding regulatory reforms more than any other alternative coin due to its relevance to the smooth running of the centralized financial system put in place to serve some of the world's financial institutions. According to Newsbit, Whale Alert has recorded several major XRP transactions. One such transfer was of nearly 305 million XRP sent by Ripple to Jed McCaleb, who's a co-founder of the company. The publication further revealed that Jed McCaleb left Ripple in 2013 because he disagreed with the rest of the management team. However, he's since been receiving large numbers of XRP tokens. McCaleb also founded a rival blockchain company called Stellar. The company is also targeting financial institutions for using its own XLM token. Till today, McCaleb's total estimated holdings and profits in XRP has exceeded $1.2 billion in XRP. For a moment, McCaleb paused his XRP sale, but now it's thought that he's recently resumed cashing out of his XRP riches. It does seem to be the case that McCaleb is also concerned about the lawsuit. This is because current CEO Garlinghouse and former CEO Chris Larsen are also targets of the SEC lawsuit. Ripple, however, is a company that Larsen co-founded with McCaleb. Furthermore, the Newsbit website also reported that Whale Alert also shared data on several other transactions, which totaled 175.6 million XRP, worth almost $64 million. This massive amount of XRP was moved by crypto walls between anonymous wallets. Some of it was sent to crypto exchanges such as Huobi, Binance, and Bybit. Meanwhile, after unlocking 1 billion XRP from escrow yesterday, it was observed that Ripple then moved 900 million back to escrow to be locked. This event took place under the wraps after the most recent pump and dump action that took place for the coin. The XRP price pump was sponsored by a Telegram group of about 200,000 traders. The coin spiked to a peak of 74 cents. After that, however, the currency's rate fell by more than 40% to about 38 cents. XRP was also pushed back to 4th spot on CoinMarketCap by Tether. Following today's trading session, the coin saw another surge above the 38 cents level to stand at 45 cents. How this affects the coin remains to be seen, even in the lawsuit. With this fickle sign of the coin's massive shift between the company and their former co-founder, critics are bound to talk once again questioning the validity of XRP. However, it still stands that the future of Ripple Labs now depends on the outcome of the first preliminary hearing scheduled for February 22nd. This hearing is important as we will likely see here whether Ripple will settle with the SEC or further continue the fight to secure the interests of investors in the coin. This chart offers a comprehensive outlook of the events of the next 2 weeks. After pumping about 200%, the deepest retracement level went to the level of 44 cents. Then the decline slowed down from the 36 cents to the 34 cents zone. The dump stopped. If the price consolidates above this downtrend, a triangle may well form before the online court hearing. Before the trial on the 15th of February, there'll be a joint letter from SEC and Ripple, each with their own arguments. It's also worth noting that the triangle and its range are conventions. It's like a possible logical variant of the formation. This figure is most suitable for instilling uncertainty for the event of the 22nd of February. If, nevertheless, a triangle forms, then it'll be quite large. People's doubt and uncertainty about actions give rise to volatility and, as a result, potential for earnings. You can work inside the formation at the beginning. Closer to the event, the spring will be compressed and ready to fire. You also need to understand that if the price breaks through the level of 66 cents and then 77 cents, then it's quite possible that the SEC plot is cancelled or pretty much decided. Satisfaction of the expected needs of very greedy people looking to short sell will begin. This chart shows XRP-USD has already moved strongly above resistance and confirmed these major two formations, the descending triangle formation and the inverse head and shoulder mentioned already in the schedule. These initial validations formed a solid ground for XRP's further bullish expansion when it shows up with the proper price actions. We can see here how XRP-USD, after completing the two major formations, also is developing this massive ascending channel formation, marked in black in the chart. Furthermore, XRP-USD has established this coherent wave count within the formation reaching from A to C, and currently XRP-USD is testing this important descending resistance line marked in blue, where it's building somewhat of a triangle cluster in which it's trading. When XRP-USD manages to gain enough strength here and sets up for a bullish attempt above the strong resistances, this can lead to a solid breakout with further potential when XRP-USD manages the stabilization above the levels. Taking all these factors into consideration, XRP-USD is still trading in strong developments that can lead to a continuation and movement above the resistance. Therefore, it's important and necessary that XRP holds the structure and does not fall below the ascending trend lines again. When this is reached and XRP-USD stays above the two validations seen in the chart, it will lead to the final channel confirmation and activation of the targets in the structure. For now, it'll be important to see how XRP-USD moves forward with these structures, to finally protract the wave C and point to the targets. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. The first hearing is coming up on the 22nd of February. What do you think is going to happen? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're here, check out one of our other videos. See you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood.